violated in regards to how these proceedings are moving? And what is your take on that?
The Constitution of Uganda, Article 23, Sub-Article 6, is very clear that if someone is charged with an offense and spends 180 days in custody before that offense or those charges have been committed to the High Court, which is the situation of our clients, they must be released on bail. Dr. Besigye, Obed Lutale have spent 6 months as of yesterday, not even today. Therefore, it is time for the High Court to grant them mandatory bail. So we were simply telling the court was saying that the magistrate only had instructions to adjourn to a specific date by his superior. Our argument is the Constitution of Uganda is superior to the command of a supervising magistrate. And because it is time to grant bail to Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale, as per the Ugandan Constitution, we should get a date that is close enough so that we can address the issue of bail. We have been given the 29th. We would have wanted tomorrow, but there is the bail application pending before the High Court, and we are going to move there to see whether we can be given an urgent date. Because by law, Dr. Besigye and Colonel Lutale should be out on bail now.
You've talked to Dr. Kizza Besigye. They say
they are strong of spirit. Under detention, you can only be as well as you can be in those circumstances. But I want to tell the world they are strong of spirit and determined to fight these charges, which they believe, as we do, are totally unjustified, to the end. On my left is Monsieur Larifou Said, an advocate from Comoros, but practicing in France and other jurisdictions. He was the lawyer for Ousmane Sonko, who is now the Prime Minister of Senegal. Let him say a word or two. And he was in Tanzania. He is among the observers who managed to go in while we were deported.
Larifou, avocat. Je suis venu exceptionnellement de France pour m'associer au collectif d'avocats du docteur Besigye.
Okay, Said Larifou, he's a jurist from France. He has come specifically to join the observers at the hearing of Dr. Besigye and Obed Lutale case.
Je remercie le collectif d'avocats du docteur Besigye, en particulier ma consoeur, ancien ministre Martha, pour sa confiance, et puis au docteur Besigye également pour sa confiance. Je suis très honoré d'être ici aujourd'hui une nouvelle fois pour exprimer toute ma solidarité, la solidarité africaine.
So very pleased to come here today and very honored and privileged to come here today to stand with others, with KB, with Dr. Besigye and his lawyers led by the former Justice Minister, Senior Counsel Martha Karua, to stand in solidarity and to share the spirit of African solidarity in what is happening.
J'étais en Tanzanie lundi dernier pour exprimer avec la même conviction, la même force, ma solidarité, la solidarité africaine à un autre opposant du premier plan qui est poursuivi pratiquement pour les mêmes faits.
So he was in Tanzania just a few days ago for the same conviction and to stand in solidarity with brothers in Tanzania who are going through the same situation.
Et aujourd'hui, je suis ici. Et pourquoi? Parce que si je suis ici à Ouganda, à Kampala aujourd'hui, c'est parce qu'il y a une identité de lutte, nous sommes tous liés par des principes universels de droits de l'homme et des valeurs humaines. Et c'est pour cette raison que nous sommes ici. Nous avons le même destin africain, nous avons des mêmes valeurs à partager.
So if you see me here today, I am here because we are united by the Pan-African spirit, and we are also united by the same principles of international human rights, and that is why we are here to stand with colleagues all over in East Africa.
Et comme disait le Premier ministre Ousmane Sonko, nous avons les mêmes problèmes provoqués par les mêmes causes et les solutions seront des solutions communes.
So even with Ousmane Sonko, was the same situation provoked by the same problems, and it is understood that we are only going to overcome those through common solutions.
Et les chants révolutionnaires, le chant patriotique et le chant de libération qui ont été tonnés dans la salle d'audience est la preuve que nous partageons le même destin et le même combat et les solutions seront communes également. Vive l'Ouganda uni, vive l'Afrique unie, vive la solidarité Est-africaine.
So live African solidarity, live African unity, and live combined efforts to resolve our African problems. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now Uganda is Aaron Kizza.